Hello students, today we are going to study another part of this lesson, rat trap. We saw yesterday that the rat trap seller was quite amazed to see the entire world to be under trap. He considered that the materialistic needs of people is immense. It cannot be fulfilled. So one day or other people will be caught in the dangerous snare. Alright? Alright, let's begin from this part. One dark evening, as he was trudging along the road, he caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside. So, what happened one dark evening? As he was trudging along the road, that means trudging means walk slowly with heavy steps. When a person is very tired, okay, then if he is walking, then we call it as trudging. Okay, so one dark evening, what happened? This rat trap seller, he was walking with heavy steps right along the roadside. Okay, and he was caught sight. That means the sight of a little small cottage, great cottage, was seen. Okay, so he saw that cottage which was very close to the road, and he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. As you know it very well, rat trap seller was a vagabond. Okay, he was not having any home, so he just went there and he knocked the door just to ask for shelter for the night. Nor was he refused. It was quite surprising for him because he was not surprised. Usually, whenever he wanted to take shelter, he was refused by most of the people. But this time he was not refused, so that was quite surprising for him. Instead of the sore faces which ordinarily met him, sore faces. Sore faces means a kind of facial expression when a person doesn't want someone to enter his or her home. Okay, so this is a kind of feeling, you can say dislike feeling. Okay, so instead of the sore faces which ordinarily met him, so what happened there? Yes, instead of the sore faces which ordinarily met him, the owner, who was an old man without wife or child, was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. So basically, whenever he knocked down the door of people, he was being refused by them. But this time, instead of doing so, this old man, the owner of the house, you can say, he was quite old, so he welcomed him, and he was not having wife and child, so he welcomed the guest. The guest is the rat trap seller, and the old man was happy to see him just because there is someone else whom he can talk to. Immediately he put the porridge pot on the fire. So without wasting much time, you can say, the owner of the cottage, he just put the porridge in Hindi we call it as khichdi. Okay, so he put the pot of porridge on the fire and gave him supper and offered him what? Dinner. Supper means dinner. Okay, then he carved off such a big slice from his tobacco roll. Carved off means just to cut down. Okay, Then he just cut down the tobacco roll. Okay, he took out a big slice of it from the tobacco roll and offered him. That it was enough both for the stranger's pipe and his own. So both of them, they enjoyed what? They enjoyed the tobacco roll. That it was enough for the stranger's pipe and his own. Finally, he got out an old pack of cards. Pack of cards means playing cards. In Hindi, we call it as tash. Finally, he got out an old pack of cards and played the majolus with his guest until bedtime. So before going to bed, they played old pack of cards, all right, and the game was majolus, all right, with his guest. Guest means the peddler, or you can say red trap seller. I hope the English explanation of this particular passage is quite clear in your mind. If it is not, then I advise you to listen my words one more time. All right.